So, good afternoon. I'm Mohan Kumar along with my teammate Arhant, and we are presenting our project titled is AI Emotion and Stress Detection for Students. This project comes under the domain of data science and machine learning. Our project objective is to use artificial intelligence to identify student emotions and stress levels that can help improve both their academic performance and mental well-being. The second slide introduction of our project is the main purpose of this project is to understand the emotion students face various challenges such as examinations, their assignment deadlines, academic competition, and personal pressures, etc. So these factors can be led to their emotion, stress, anxiety, reduced concentration. So many students may not openly communicate these issues. To address this challenge, our project uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automatically detect emotions and stress levels through facial expressions. This helps this helps and gives them more support and emotional aware learning the environment. This is about the introduction. Problem statement. The main problem we identified is that students often experience emotional stress during their academic journey. So their stress negatively affects learning ability, their concentration, their overall mental health. So in our daily life, traditional stress detection methods, so they require expensive equipment, specialized environments for their setup, medical sensors. So they are impractical. So our project aims to develop an automated and affordable AI-based system that detects emotions and predict systems their stress levels using the facial recognitions, machine learning techniques. Uh, so abstract. So Learn is an artificial is an AI intelligent system designed to recognize the student emotions. So the system uses deep learning techniques to analyze facial expressions and identify their emotional states like happiness, sadness, stress, and anxiety. We used Django, which allows users to capture images through camera and receive real-time emotions and stress predictions to develop a web application. The overall goal is to provide useful insights uh, that support student engagement, academic success, and their well-being. So about the literature review, uh, before developing a solution, like we studied various several research papers related to our project to understand about the ideology of our application. So these studies help us understand methods and their advantages, limitations, such kind. So we studied like CNN, which is convolutional networks. We used face recognition techniques, uh, such as techniques to uh, find their expressions. Facial features such as eyebrows, eyes, mouth movements can be effective indicate for stress levels. So in paper 4, yeah, the paper used same for all the titles. Common thing is we use facial recognition and machine learning techniques to find out the stress. So issues here mostly the cost and investness. Uh, Traditional methods may cost you more but in this application the cost is less. Some systems cannot provide real-time emotion recognitions, like they have limited integrations with educational platforms. So these challenges motivated us to develop a practical and real-time student-friendly solution. So going on to the process proposed work, it says about the same in the literature review. So I'll go to the architecture diagram. This diagram shows the overall architecture of a system. So the process begins with collecting facial images and behavioral information from students. That is data acquisition, pre-processing, and the data is then processed and cleaned to remove inconsistencies like any missing values. And emotion detection is performed using a ResNet 50 deep learning model as a second step, and stress prediction is carried out using machine learning algorithms such as Bayesian classifiers and extra trees, which used to learn their algorithms. So finally, the results are displayed through a web application, Django web application dashboard, where the users can view emotion predictions and stress levels in real time. So this is the overall architectural diagram. These are the requirements. Uh, from the software side, we require operating system like Windows 10, programming language Python 3.10, and basic Jupyter Notebook model formats. We use front-end and hardware requirements. Processor with Intel Core i5, RAM, then display 1080p resolution or higher. Use camera to record the facial expressions. So functional and non-functional requirements. The system performs several important functions. It captures facial images uh, and stores behavioral information and displays results through a web application web dashboard. That's Django. In terms of non-functional requirements, the system must be user-friendly, accurate, secure, scalable, and capable of providing like real-time predictions. Uh, so going on to the next module and its descriptions. So first module is the data processing and data cleaning. This module focuses on preparing the data set. We identify and handle missing values, and remove duplicate records, correct them, and correct data inconsistencies and data conversion. All are happened here. After cleaning, the data set is divided into training and testing sets for clear model development. Second module is data visualization and the data analysis, where we perform exploratory data analysis using charts and visualizations which help us to understand their distributions, patterns, and their outliers. These assist in feature selection and improve our model performance. They are more accurate within the work. And the next module 3, bagging classifier. Bagging classifier is an ensemble learning algorithm which creates multiple decision trees. um, it uses subsets for training. Here each tree makes a prediction, a different each one tree makes separate predictions, and the final result is based on the majority of the voting. This approach improves accuracy and reduces the overfitting process. The performance of bagging model is evaluated using accuracy metrics and the confusion matrix measures. In the next module, extra tree classifier is another ensemble learning method. Unlike other traditional decision trees, it introduces randomness when selecting features and splitting points. This also improves generalization and reduces model variance. And these three examples given down here, tree 1, tree 2, tree 3, demonstrate how different tree focus on different aspects like facial expression, survey, their stress here given the medium stress, high stress with the behavior pattern, survey pattern for their prediction help. Going on to next, deep learning model. For emotion recognition, we use ResNet 50 model, which is a powerful pre-trained deep learning model. The model extracts important facial features. Facial features are extracted and learns emotional patterns from images learned through several processes. And transfer learning allows us to utilize the previously learned before learned image features, improving both training sets. Additional layers, dropout, and batch normalization are used to enhance performance and prevent overfitting. So this is a best performing model for making predictions and also helps in accurate identifying emotions from images. That's it for deep learning. Implementation. The model you have created during the implementation. This is the sign in page of our web application. Sign in using your first name, last name, username, mail ID. Yeah. So here active users, the online, the total users in current. So it provides dashboard with home, profile, model, emotions, database, start session. So dashboard is a login page. So using this, we can feed the student details to the application. So to start the session, for example, we have to enter the name and the email address, start session. The session will be started and the overall your screen timing will be observed. So it will require some feeds behavioral data about yourself. So after launching camera, your face detected. So it provides final state, stress levels of yourself. So we have attached this to their email. So students will be provided their status through their emails, so that they can check that and go on for earlier counseling. So like this, the mail will be received to the student. Yeah, that's it. This is a project about Learny's AI to detect emotional stress levels of the student using AI. So thank you.